Hello, my dear students. First, I welcome online classes. I welcome BSc first semester students. I will teach English subject. I will tell you the syllabus of BSc Basic English syllabus along with PPT. I will teach you the first slide tells us the name of the program BSc, subject Basic English, semester third, University VSK University Ballari, the first session. Then second slide tells us the syllabus. In this syllabus there are 4 units. The first 2 units tells about the drama Othello written by William Shakespeare. I think you have heard the great famous playwright William Shakespeare. He wrote 37 dramas. He has written 3 categories of dramas: comedies, tragedies, historical plays. The first unit, Othello, is a tragedy. In this unit, we study Act 1 and Act 2. Then, the second unit, we study Act 3, Act 4, and Act 5. Next, Unit 3rd, Communication and Analysis Skills. Unit 3rd, one on one communication. Then Unit 4, Communicating a Group. In this slide, we study students to understand the syllabus and the communication to the group, the progression of the course. Next, session outcomes. After the end of the session, students will know the complete syllabus and able to enhance their knowledge as we discuss in detail in coming sessions. Sessions wise will be discussed thoroughly regarding prescribed drama and communication skills. Next slide. Unit first and second, the drama Othello by William Shakespeare. We discuss on the plot, characters, thematic concerns, summary, and analysis of the drama. Next, we focus on Shakespeare's perspective of writing a drama and its impact on audience. Next slide, Module 3, Unit 4, one-on-one communication. In this category, there are 9 topics. The first one is communicating over the telephone, conversing in face-to-face informal situation, communicating in a informal situation, one-on-one written communication, communicating through emails, writing product and service specification, resume writing, covering letters for job application, writing proposals. Next, Unit 4, communicating a group. In this section, there are 7 points: facing an interview, informal discussions, group discussion, debates, making speeches, comparing an event, agenda, notes, and minutes of a meeting. Next, references. Othello, written by William Shakespeare. Then this book is available in the bookstalls. You can go and purchase and follow the classes. Then second book, Asian Academy, Communicating and Analysis Skills, Orient Black Swan Private Limited. This is also available in the bookstalls. You can go and purchase it. These are the images of drama, Othello, and the communication analysis skills. The textbook, the images, you go and purchase these two textbooks. They are very helpful for your study. Okay, next class we shall study the first drama, unit 1, act first. Okay, thank you one and all.